I'll use the first two methods. Okay. First one, speed given, time given, how far. Okay, we have to find the distance. Okay, what is the formula? Speed equals to distance upon time. Okay, the speed is 36 kilometer per hour. Okay, distance we have to find. The time was given in seconds, so you have to convert second into hours. Okay, here this unit is in hours now. First of all, we will convert this seconds into hours. Okay, first of all, we have to find seconds to minutes, then minutes to hours. Minutes to hours. This is the possible way. Okay. Seconds to hours means you have to divide this by 60. Okay. Seconds to minutes. Sorry. Seconds to minutes means you should divide this by 60. And minutes to hours means furthermore you should divide that by another 60. Okay. Another 60. Okay. I'll write here. Okay, first of all, seconds to minutes. Okay, 5 seconds to minutes means I have to divide this by 60. Okay, how it came from? I'll explain from the basic. 5 seconds to minutes means multiplied with 1 minute upon 60 seconds. Okay, 1 minute upon 60 seconds. That means 1 minute is 60 seconds. No, 1 minute is 60 seconds. So this second and second can be simplified. Our answer is 5 upon 60 minutes. 5 upon 60 minutes. 5 upon 60 minutes. But this is not the thing what we exactly need. We need to convert this to hours. So here I'll write 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour is 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Here you can see the unit conversion clearly. 5 seconds, 1 minute. Okay, 2 minutes, 1 minute upon 60 seconds. Okay, 1 minute means 60 seconds, 1 hour means 60 minutes. I will simplify this second and second, this minute and this minute. Now you can see 5 into 1 into 1 hour. That means 5 hour upon, in the denominator, 60 into 60. So it's 3600. Okay. 5 upon 3600 hours. When we convert second to hours, this is the way. Okay. This is the way. 5 upon 3600 hours. This is the way you have to convert seconds to hours. Seconds to hours. Okay, we found our time in hours. 5 upon 3600 hours. That means here 5 upon time. Here we have to indicate our time now in the denominator. 5 upon 3600 hours. Okay. Here you can see first this D. I'll keep this 3600 to the numerator. 3600 to the denominator. Why I am changing that? I'll explain. Okay. Because all these stuff are very important. For your part 2 questions, you have to know this stuff. D divided by 5 upon 3600. Okay, divided by 5600. When we convert division as a multiplication, okay, when we convert, I'll write here. When we convert division as a multiplication, the right side fraction will become its reciprocal. That means 3600 upon 3600 upon 5. Okay. The same thing we just divided, the division have to be converted as a multiplication. In that case, the right side fraction should become its reciprocal. So it became 3600 upon 5. 3600 upon 5. Okay. Then to find the D, to find the value for D, okay, I'll write here again. 36 kilometer per hour equals to D into 3600 upon 5. 3600 upon 5. Here you can subject the D. You can subject the D. For that, you should multiply 36 into 5 times. Okay. 36 into 5 times. 36 into 5 times. should be divided by 3600. Should be divided by 3600. That will give you the distance. Okay, that will give you the distance in kilometers. Distance in kilometers. Why is that? Because here this is in kilometer per hour. When we multiply this, I'll use the units here once more. Yeah, it's 36 kilometer per hour. Okay, when you multiply this by 5 hours, okay, when I take this 5 hours, okay, this is 36 kilometer per hour multiplied with hour. That means this hour to the power negative 1 hour can be simplified. So when we simplify, our answer will be in the unit of kilometers. So 36 into 5 divided by 3600. Okay, I'll write here. Okay, for that, D equals to 36 into 5 upon 3600 kilometers. You can simplify this 3636 one time, 100 time, one time, 100 times. So when you simplify 5 divided by 100, 0.05 kilometers. 0.05 kilometers. It's enough. Okay. It's enough to keep your answer in kilometers. Otherwise, if the question is asking you to find the answer in meters, you have to multiply this by 1000. Okay, you have to multiply this by 1000. If you want to keep your answer in kilometer, that's totally fine. Otherwise, if you want to convert your answer to meters, 1, it should be multiplied with 1000 meters upon 1 kilometer. 1000 meters upon 1 kilometers. So kilometer and kilometer can be simplified. When you multiply, your answer should be 0.05 into 1000. It's 50 meters. It's 50 meters. Okay, it's 50 meters directly. Okay, this is the first way you have to do. What we did here under this topic, we just converted seconds into hours. Okay, you should divide that by 3600 and you can substitute in the formula. Speed equals to distance upon time. In the formula, you have to substitute the time 5 upon 3600 hours and you will receive your answer like this. Otherwise, there is another method also possible. Okay, another method means that one is very easier than this. In that case, we are not going to change our time seconds to hours. We are going to change our speed. Okay, we are going to change our speed. Speed is 36 kilometer per hour. No, 36 kilometer per hour. We are going to change this as a meter per second. Meter per second. That means 36 kilometer upon 1 hour. We will convert this as a meter per second. 36 kilometer, no? 36 multiplied with 1000 meter upon, in the denominator, 1 hour. 1 into 3600 seconds. 3600 seconds. Okay, I'll repeat it one more. 36 kilometer upon 1 hour. Okay, 36 kilometer upon 1 hour. 36 kilometer. We are going to convert our kilometer per hour to meter per second. No? So, kilometer into meter, you should multiply this by 1000. And hour to second, in 1 hour, there are 3600 seconds. So, then I'll simplify here directly. Okay, this 0 and this 0 can be simplified with this 0 and this 0. 36 can be simplified with this 36. 1 and 1. So, this is 10 meter upon 1 second. 10 meter upon 1 second. So, the speed became meter per second units. 10 meter per second. Okay, 10 meter per second. This is our unit in meter per second. Now we found our speed in the unit meter per second. Speed in the unit meter per second. Okay, what I did, meter to meter multiplied by 1000. Hour to second multiplied by 3000. Then furthermore simplification. After furthermore simplification, we found our speed. Okay, speed. Then we will substitute in this formula. Speed equals to distance upon time. Speed we found 10 meter per second equals to, we have to find how far. So the distance, time is 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds. You can directly cross multiply this value to get your D. So 10 meter per second multiplied with 5 seconds. Multiplied with 5 seconds equals to D. Second to the power of negative 1 second can be simplified. 10 5s are 50. So the distance he traveled, that is 50 meters. 50 meters. Okay, this is the second method. In the second method, we were changed kilometer per hour to meter per second. Kilometer per hour to meter per second. Then substituted that value in the formula to receive our answer easily. I think among these two methods, the second one is convenient for you. Okay, second one is easier than the previous one. Okay, as your preference, you have